So this is a quick one for every CAC registration agent, or if you want to conduct a CAC registration by yourself. This is an extension, Chrome extension that I've just found useful for you and everyone that want to conduct maybe a do-it-yourself, or maybe you are a sales registration agent and you want to conduct any registration, any online registration, not even limited to sales registration, any online registration. So this is a Chrome extension that it is a clipboard. I'm sure you will all can attest to the benefit of having a clipboard on our phone keyboard. It actually saves our copies. Anything you copy, it actually saves it on the phone, and you'll be able to paste it wherever, whenever you need it. So something like that also, it is also available on PC. And the reason why I'm recommending it to all other sales registration agents is because we are prone to mistake. Like we do make mistake a lot, and this do affect our credibility, and it also affects our work. And it also affects our work. So with this tool, you'll be able to copy and paste whenever and wherever you want to use it, error free and stress free. So the name of the clipboard is quick talk clipboard. As you can see here, quick talk clipboard. You add it to your Chrome extension. I already have it on my Chrome extension. If you do not, just go to your Chrome. If you make use of Google or Chrome as your, or Google as your browser, or ChatGPT as your browser, just go to ChatGPT and copy clipboard and type quick tour clipboard there. You'll be able to see it. I'm sure I'm having a network issue here. You type clipboard extension, you'll be able to see it. The name is quick tour, and just as we see here. So let me show you how I was able to copy and paste. Let's say this is what I want to copy. Let's say this is what I want to copy. This Amoro Street, and I want to paste it here. So instead of copying and pasting one by one, you'll be able to copy everything once and paste it once. I don't know if you understand the importance of this very well. Like instead of copying this and copying one by one and pasting one by one, you'll be able to copy all these three once. In fact, and even more, and you'll be able to paste it once as well. You understand? You'll be able to paste it once as well. So just go to wherever you want to use it, maybe for CS registration or other online registration. You go there and you right click. You right click, then you paste it there. So this is the street name, this is the house number, this is the house number, and this is the city or town. This is the city or town. So there is actually a disclaimer to this. Just like I always say, there is a disclaimer to this. If you are if you are conducting a registration like this CS registration, you have to be very, very careful and be very, very sure of what you are copying and where you want to paste it. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Like you have to be careful of what you are copying and where you want to paste it to. You understand? So make sure that you are copying the right thing. Aside from copying the right thing, make sure that you are not mixing things up. For example, now this is a shareholder residential address. Make sure that if you want to copy everything once and for all, make sure that where you want to paste it is in the right address. I mean, such as registered address, service address, head office address, residential address, and all that. So I think I'm having a network issue. I'm trying to see if I can just show you how you can add this to your Chrome. Yes, thank God. So how you can add this to your Chrome. So this is it. I already have it on my Chrome, but I'm just showing you what it actually looks like. But you can find any clipboard history, anyone. Just make sure that it is free. This is actually pro, but I'm not using the pro version. I'm using the free version. So I don't know the importance of the pro anyway. So just make sure that you find the right tool and make use of the right tool. So just like I said, make sure that you're copying the right thing and pasting it in the right place. You understand? And pasting it in the right place to avoid error. to avoid error and to avoid losing the credibility of your customer. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more sales registration updates and for more business, brands, and skill development updates. Thank you very much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.